Often, some learners, when spelling a word, can make the same spelling mistake over and over again. There's a really useful feature in Word which can help to overcome this. So, as we did before, when we see a spelling mistake, such as type here, and we right-click, we can then go and then change that spelling mistake. So let's just change it for just now. Let's go to type, and then we can have it read aloud. But also, just down at the bottom here, we can say add to AutoCorrections. So what essentially I want to do is to change that word, that typing where it says TIPE to TYPE, the correct spelling mistake, and I'm going to add it to AutoCorrections. So let's just do that. Okay, I'll do the same with Mac. And let's add that to AutoCorrections and with mistakes. And I'll add that to AutoCorrection as well. So now, when I enforce the spelling mistake, so I say when I type, now you see how it's made that, it's changed it to the correct spelling, Mac, and it's done the same there, spelling miss, let's spell that word wrongly as well. It's in AutoCorrect, so it should change it automatically, and there it's done that. So AutoCorrect is a great way of building up a list of words where if the learner's making spelling mistakes over and over again, you can easily correct them.